This right here is my 1984 CJ7 with a Cam 355 Chevrolet small block. It runs on propane. You got propanes there. Tanks go back here. It's got a radiator in the back. It's on 44s, 44-inch bumpers that have been cut. It's got a corporate 14-bolt rear end, and then it's got a Dana 60 Chevy front end. So I've ripped all the wires out, and I'm gonna rewire it. I'm gonna make like a switch panel that goes across the dash, wire up a bunch of lights, paint it a crazy color, and go rock crawling. So right now, I'm going to take all the tires off so that we can get in there and paint everything we need to paint. Jack stand here. Jack stand here. Those are done. Jack stand here. Boom. Now we can get the tires off. There's one. Alright, they're all off. Now I'm probably gonna blow off the frame and stuff.
You're gonna do what?
Blow off the frame, blow all the dirt and stuff. Should we go over what we need?
Yes.
Let's do that. Alright, so I know we need calipers. I'm not worried about rotors because it's going to be a rock crawler. It's not going to be on the road. Boom.
What does that say? Is that a
mall crawler? Calipers. Brake booster.
Boost?
Let's see how many people this triggers.
Oh. I'm lost.
Master cylinder. We gotta do a toggle switch and stuff to start it. And then we're gonna do a big one.
Gang switch panel.
Yeah, the big one, kind of like in a trophy truck. We don't need lights. I don't need lights. I'll do that later. We need to take
maybe new lug nuts.
Yeah, lug nuts and studs.
Well, you got one right here.
I was about to say, I'm right here. Trying to think of what else we can do. We need seats.
Ooh.
What kind of seats should we do? What kind of seats should we do? I want it to have like a kind of a hole in the center maybe, or something that has like a 5-point harness. What else? What can you think of?
Speakers.
In a rock crawler?
In a rock crawler.
Sure.
New exhaust. Propane.
We definitely need propane. We're gonna have to call Bobby. tank's just too old. We're gonna have to call Bob to see if he's selling propane. Radiator fan. Radiator fan. Maybe shroud. Maybe a shroud to go around it too. Spark plug and wires. Wire to run everything. Trying to think. We need some kind of gauges. So temp, wheel, tack maybe. Yeah. What else are you thinking? Power steering pump.
Power steering.
Power steering pump. We have the bracket because we found it, remember? So we have the bracket. I think we just need a new Jeep. Alright, that's just going to be starters. That's just what we need for starting. If y'all think of something else or y'all see something else in the video we need, comment and I'll add it to the list. I'm going to blow all the dirt off the frame so we can paint it. Alright guys, day 2, we're back out here. I worked 648 hours last week, so I was tired. Now we're gonna do some sanding. Ryan's gonna do some sanding. I'm gonna do something. So we got the Jeep sanded down. I'm gonna go ahead and prime it. I'm gonna start with the cage so I don't gotta be up here while everything's soaking wet. I'm gonna do primer first and then I'm gonna do the cage gloss white. But I'm just gonna go ahead and prime it so that it has something to stick to. Don't roast me in the comments. I'm not a paint and body guy.
You're not a paint and body guy.
No. But I did go ahead and sand it, prep it for paint, and I fixed all the dents in it, as you can tell. They're all fixed up. There's no dents in the hood left.
That's just a snorkel.
That's, yeah.
A breather.
Whatever you want to call it. It's aerodynamic. I'm gonna go ahead and paint. I'm gonna start up here so I ain't grabbing, down there. cage is gloss white. I even did the shock towers up here gloss white, and the inside of the fender's gloss white. These might get spray painted back black. I don't know yet. Depends on how bad it's gonna get. So now let's go gold sweet color.
Shoot.
You ready for this?
Be awful bright. Watch your eyes.
I hope it don't split and crack and stuff.
I have to do a couple coats. Oh. Yeah, dude. What shade of pink is this?
Rust-Oleum, you have some explaining to do. So, part of my Jeep is pink. The other part is orange. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but I started with a new can and I'm like, wait, this is way too bright. So look what we got here. Bright neon color, pink. Bright neon color, pink. Guys, so we had an issue with the paint. I'm not going to let it, keep us behind on things. Yes, it is a different color. I got to reprime it and repaint it. But this is the gist of what I'm doing. So this is going to be gloss white.
Looks good.
Which, I'm going to touch it up still. But this is basically finished product. Until the whole Jeep's done, I'm not going to, touch it up. We got black. This is farm implement paint. That is really nice. It like hardens and it's glossy and it looks so good once it's dry. So I'm gonna do everything. I just basically did everything so you can get the gist of what it is. So we got the black down here. We got the white cage. I don't know what color I'm gonna do the propane tanks yet. And then we got the pink body. So this is finished product here, but we got this mishap of whatever you want to call that.
It looks red on camera.
It looks red, but in person, this is like an orangish color, and this is pink.
This definitely looks pink. It's like a red almost.
Yeah. In person, it looks orange. But what's weird is this can is correct, even though this can is this. This is the pink I want. The other color, which is this, shows pink as this label is pink, which doesn't make sense to me. I shook them all a lot. And y'all can say maybe you didn't shake it enough. That's not the problem. This label here is a different color pink. I don't know. It's fluorescent pink and it's bright neon color. Makes no sense. Why label them the same if they're different? I don't know, guys. So I'm not going to let y'all sit here and just watch me do the whole thing. That's kind of boring. Next video, you see the to-do list. We got a lot to do. I'm going to go and order all the parts that we're going to need. Probably not all of them, because that is a lot of stuff. I'm going to order a bunch of stuff so that maybe next video we can put a lot of it on. I got to get tubes for the tires because I noticed one has a leak. The other one's slowly leaking down, which could just be the bead lock. I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and tube them, patch the one, tube all four, call it a day, run them till they blow. Seats, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Someone give me, like, you know, comment down below what is a good seat I could put in here. I kind of want a hole in the top, kind of like a Jeep Cherokee. Some of the Jeep Cherokees have it. The hole in the center to where I can put seat belts back through it. Other than that, guys, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not. Thank you for watching.